as the storm will be over, and that was the worst of it. Oh, how I was so wrong. So very wrong. We locked the doors and feared for our lives as this heavy rain had brought with it these six-legged demons. Something so horrific actually turned out to be pretty educating, as we watched the terns make use of the heavy winds to snatch up the abundance of insects. The rain and the insects calmed down, so we set out again, spotting this lonely musk duck alongside the largest gathering of pink-eared ducks and Australian shovelers